Hello, I'm just around my folks' place. I'm going to give you a quick update on what's going on in my dad's greenhouse. I tend to do this every year and yeah, check out what's growing on in there. Before we do, let's just have a quick look at this main flower bed of his. The anthuriums here at the front. It's a huge yellow dahlia. It's going great guns there. Lily thing there, and another dahlia, and some sedums down below. Alright, whenever I do a video from my dad's greenhouse, it's always like a bloody jungle in here, so why don't I grab the camera and we'll have a look at what's going on. In previous years it's been totally tropical in here, but as you can see today, not so much. About 10 degrees. Yeah, distinctly cooler today. 3 tomato plants in these pots here. Let's have a look at what that is. That's a Shirley F1 variety. And this one, again, is a Shirley F1 variety. I'm guessing these are all Shirley. Anyhow, let's have a look at these trusses of tomatoes. Lovely. And the smell in here is so strong, so tomatoey. There we go. Really tall plants. Going right up to the top of the greenhouse itself. Got barely any room to maneuver in here. Here we go. Looking good. Up next we got some cucumber plants. There we go, one there and one there, and a slightly bigger one over here. Looking at that, a label saying sweet pepper. Plant's looking good. A little sweet pepper there maybe. Another one there, I reckon. And this looks like it's another, or that looks like another cucumber plant, but in the corner here, definitely another tomato. More sweet peppers, it seems. So we're going big on the sweet peppers this year. And guess what? Get more sweet peppers. But here, we've got an aubergine, that's right, yes. The old eggplant. Another cuke. What's going on over there? Nothing. Down here, a sort of moth-eaten aubergine plant, but I think we might be having, yeah, it looks like there's a flower and the possibility of a fruit on that one. Again, more cucumbers, and then another tomato plant or two. There we go, aubergines, cucumbers, tomatoes and sweet peppers. That's what's going on in the greenhouse this year, it seems. We'll have a look at a few more vegetable plants that are growing in his back garden, and then we'll wrap up this video. Looks like he's got some onions drying outside here. probably Sturrons. Two fairly decent January King cabbages. And look, there we go. A couple of outdoor tomato plants and a tower of French climbing beans. An enormous mound of rhubarb, which I love. Some more tomato plants out here. And a couple of courgette plants or zucchinis, depending on where you come from. In the far corner of the garden, there's this little veg bed. He's obviously taken stuff out of. A few onions left. The last, I don't know, is that iceberg lettuce? I'd guess that. Some broccoli plants that he's obviously taken from cabbages at the back here. It's a scrap bit of land with an enormous buddleia. It's not even a bush, it's like a tree. And look at these. Blackberries. Better pick those before the birds get them. Finally, this is just for my reference, not yours so much. We dug out this section of the lawn. I'm going to put a base down and build a shed. So, yeah, that should keep us busy through the autumn and winter months. Well, that's it for this particular video. If you have tuned in, thank you very much. Remember to hit that like button, share, subscribe, but most importantly, please do comment down below. And until the next video, bye for now.